Hi everybody, it's Sarah from creativesarah.com and from all the other places where I show you my Couture goodness. Today we're going to use our wild blue Yonder little whale, and I'm doing this on a small, this is a canvas, a small canvas board. Now these little boards can be put into a frame, or they can also stand up and just be used as a decor item on their own. We are actually going to be using 5 colors, and I'm going to do kind of the hot mess on the whale. So what that consists of is getting your chalk paste nice and stirred up, nice and smooth. Basically, I have some that are still older in the 2-ounce containers. Use those up before I move to my 3 ounces. So that's why you're seeing me still using 3. I'm going to do just a few dots in different random places, and that will be just a little bit of the gray. This is our elephant gray. And then we've got a little Thai teal here. In our recent update, in our new catalog, we have some new colors, and they're very, very, very similar to what I'm using right now. I'm just going to continue to use the names of these until I have like a little chart to tell you that this is close to, you know, this color or whatever. Because it's too hard to kind of remember all of that for you guys. I completely understand. It'll be easier for me as soon as I kind of learn it, but there is a learning curve, I will admit. And now we're going to do a little bit of the navy. So I believe this color turned into something, I think it's called Midnight. So we'll just do a little bit because this is pretty dark. There we go. Okay. And then once you have this hot mess all over your canvas or your surface, whatever you're doing, you're going to take an awesome new small squeegee, and you're just going to kind of start in a place that looks good, and you're just going to start making a mess. Just smearing it every which way. And what I love is that it looks like a complete hot mess, doesn't it? And you really don't know what it's going to look like when you're done. I can't guarantee this is going to look awesome. I just know that it's kind of fun to do. Now I'm not going to do anything with this. I'm just going to throw it away. Scrape it off, clean it off with your squeegee like this. Made a nice color. All I did was I just picked out a bunch of blues and gray, and now I'm just going to peel this. You grab 2 corners. This is the trick. You want to grab 2 corners. Gosh, if I can. 2 corners so that it doesn't stretch your transfer, because when you only grab 1 corner, you try. Oh, look at it. My hot mess turned into a beautiful whale. Now this whale says Wild Blue Yonder, and hopefully you guys can see how cool that is. All those colors in there. I love it. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope that you learned something with this fun technique, and join me again, and make sure you get online and check out all the latest products that we have for you right now at creativesarah.chalkcouture.com.